Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Hitchcock. I'm the director of the Construction Engineering Management track of study here at the University of Alabama in Birmingham. We have a very unique master's degree opportunity for working professionals that I'd like to tell you a little bit about because you might be interested in joining us. Our Master of Engineering degree at the University of Alabama School of Engineering was introduced in January of 2008. There are three tracks of study. The one I'm going to talk to you about is the track of study in construction engineering management. When students come into this program, it is a multidisciplinary group of students. All that is required for our students to be accepted into the program is for them to have a bachelor's degree from an accredited U.S. university. We want them to have a B average, a 3-point average as an undergraduate. If they don't, then they would start with us under academic probation and have an opportunity then to carry a B average or higher, which is required to get a master's degree here at the University of Alabama at Birmingham. And our experience to date is that over 90% of our students who start do finish in the program. So we're very proud of our accomplishments over the 3 years. We have over 90 graduates and we have 100 active students, both in our on-campus and our distance learning combined. Let me tell you then how this program works. There are 5 terms, and in each term we take 2 3-hour courses. The last 3 terms, there's an additional 1-hour course per term for a capstone personal enrichment study experience. So the total of credit hours for the degree is 33 hours. It takes about 19 months to complete the course of study if you follow all the way through the curriculum with your peers. Now, it is very important, we think, for the experience to be the best it can be for you, to come into the program with a particular group of students. You will stay with that same group of students for the full 19 months. You get to know them well. You will interact with your peers, the faculty, and outside people that you consult with on some of your case study projects. So we think it's a great opportunity to study together with peers as you would find the kind of people that you work with in the industry. Now, what we are trying to outreach to is people that could be working for owners, or they could be working for general contractors, subcontractors, material suppliers. They might even be attorneys or government officials, private sector, public sector, or even nonprofit organizations. Anyone that is working in the built environment, managing projects or supporting the construction of projects would find value in our program. We do not teach building science here. We teach the science of management. And in management, it's not just numbers and mathematics. There's an appreciation and understanding of the law, finance. Sure, there's mathematics. Sure, there's scheduling details and estimating details. But we have to know about human resources issues, those soft issues that so often technical people don't study. And what's interesting when we bring a multidisciplinary group of people together is some of the folks that come to us, they may be psychologists in their undergraduate training. Others will be perhaps engineers, or they might be geologists, or they may have been from business. And when we come together and we find out, well, we all have different strengths and we need to learn a bit about so many different areas to be an effective manager, in the end, we truly have to appreciate the foundations of business, how to make a profit, and what are the important points about sharing risk in this very, very complex world that we live in today. If you are interested in learning more about our program, you can come here and study with us on campus. We bring one group in every August to begin study. It takes 19 months. Or you could come to us and learn through a distance learning environment. We start 2 distance learning classes each year. We start one group in January and another group in May. And it's important too, when we have distance learning students, that we develop community. So at the beginning of every one of our distance learning classes and terms, we bring the students to campus if they can make it for 2 days of intense study. We then complete the last 12 weeks online. Then we get together again when the next term starts. This way, our students all get to know their peers, their faculty, and we interact very, very well that way, and it just makes the learning experience that much stronger. We want to help people advance in their careers. That's why we're here. Our number one focus is education in the Management of Engineering program. That's what we focus on, is you. And we want to be sure that you have every opportunity to learn the topics that we have put in our curriculum, and we want to be sure you have every opportunity to advance in our career. If you are interested in the Master of Engineering program here at the University of Alabama, Birmingham, please contact me, Dr. Bill Hitchcock, at 205-934-8472, or my assistant director, Ms. Diane Gilmer, at 205-975-5848. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to discuss with you the way our program maybe help you advance in your career, whatever your aspirations are. And good luck to you.